you can see the landscape down here on this side is completely different. As I said, it's a younger volcanic area than here, this part. So there's more lava flows, more the volcanic ash. This side starts off the forest again. See another smaller volcanoes as we go further on.
Si no ha salido. Ah, bueno, ¿verdad? No te hagas. La otra es vernos en algún hotel de esos por ahí, que coincidamos.
Despacito, That's under Samara, smaller volcano than here in front. About 4,000 or 5,000 years than they had in Samara. A lot of the ash, the black sands, the ash which comes out of these volcanoes covered all this area. It's very porous material, used a lot in building material, the bricks, the blocks, the garden, pot plants, and used because they absorb the moisture.
Tired rocket. Look at the cloud over there, is that the clouds on the sea?
It's clouds at sea.
Oh. Looks like a big wave coming, doesn't it?
This will be safe from the other one.
Hopefully.
See that would happen, and then it upset the volcano.
Oh, so we kept going between
Yeah.
it. But we just might be alright. Things nice. It's another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, things nice. It's another day for you and me in paradise.
it could be an historical eruption. They thought it could be from the year 1492. So witnessed by Columbus. So it was written in the diary of Columbus when he went past the highest island. He saw this fire, saw the activity on the highest island. So due to the diary of Columbus, the research made after, I thought this could be the eruption here on the right hand. So as I thought then, after research made then from 1492. And then here on the right, here in the back is the volcano, the Chinero, which was the one from the last eruption here on the island, the Tenerife, 1909. See there on the right, the black, red coloured mountain. The background, that is the volcano, the Chinero. 18th of November 1909 was then this last eruption. During 10 days. So it's been the last one here on the island of Tenerife, but the last eruption of the Canary Islands was on the island of La Palma. The volcano, the name is the Tenerife, it was 1971. When the last eruption then here on the out of the surface on the Canary Islands. Because then we've had activity, but under in the ocean, not deep in the ocean, there's been activity as well. Well, we had 3 eruptions. That was not long ago, 2011, near the island of Hierro, which is then the smallest, the youngest island. And now we had then these 3 eruptions under the ocean. The first one was about 800 meters below the sea level. The second was about 500. The third was about 200 meters below the sea level. So at one point you could see the activity, you could see the magma coming out, the lava coming out of the ocean. It was bubbling, coming out, and went up a few meters, and then just dried on top of the ocean, on top of them. But then this was activity then under the ocean. After those 3 eruptions, they've discovered there's another island growing below. Coming up from the ocean bed, there's another island now growing.
Wow.
So we're going to have family. We're going to have more islands coming.
Yeah, wow.
If we're going to see that or not, that's something else. But the islands, now will be more islands coming out with the pass of the years. Well, the top of this new island is about 80, 90 meters below the sea level. So there's another big push underneath, and maybe the island comes out.
Hey, that'll be alright. Oh, cool.
Now you can imagine that was happening in 2011, it was October 2011. You're watching it live on the television, watching it live, and you're expecting any minute the island to appear. No? Everyone's then checking out on the news. Huh? Have we got a new island? No, not yet. Maybe a few days, maybe a few weeks. Huh?
20 years now.
Well, maybe it'll take a lot longer. Un poquito por aquí. And on the left, you can see part of one of these lava tunnels. See the cave here in front on the left here? That's part of a lava tunnel, a lava tube here on the left hand.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
See some of them, but deep, like a labyrinth inside. Now they go in all different directions. There's one on the north side. Up to now, they've discovered 18 kilometers of this lava tunnel, but it goes in all different directions.
Wow.
It's like a labyrinth. And the largest of the world, because I said it's the largest in Europe, the largest of the world is in Hawaii, 65 kilometers long. And then the longest in the world are these lava tubes.
Wow.
So it forms as that the lava comes out, it's very fluid, the lava comes out very quickly. High temperature in contact with the air outside, cools up, it's like a crust, like a coat outside. Forms like the roof on top. Inside the lava's pushing through, pushing onto the sides, and then this tube, this tunnels and slowly forming. So slowly forming, and the tunnel inside, then the air comes in, so it dries, and it leaves the erosion, leaves these tunnels, these lava tubes.
Wow. Pretty amazing, isn't it, Rocky?
Well, they were used a lot in the time of the Wanjas, the indigenous as well. Is that the shepherds? They used to use them to shelter them with the goats as well.
What does indigenous mean?
Now you can see the forest now, the pines just grow in the middle of the rock, in the middle of the lava, you can see the pines growing.
Oh, yeah.
And a lot all burned, but all completely green.
Wow. What's indigenous? Indigenous, what does that mean?
Wanj is the first population on the island. They're from the Berbers from northwest Africa.